Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own self-rising flour at home. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything until thoroughly combined. So whenever you have a recipe that asks for self-rising flour, you don't have to go out and buy it. You can always just make it at home, and it's so easy. I always use this when I make biscuits or pancakes or even my flour tortillas or any recipe that calls for self-rising flour. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.